Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'll show you on how to create different color background in Adobe Photoshop. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. And the next thing you want to do is to proceed to New right here, or better still, you can simply go ahead and press Ctrl N on your keyboard. So just click on New. And this is going to pop up right here. So here, this is where you need to set up your page layout. For instance, we want to create a album. You can title it album, album test. Okay. Now we want to set our weight to be 7 and our height to be 8. So that is 7 by 8. Okay. And we want to leave it in inches. We can decide to leave the orientation of the artboard as this. So we can decide to switch orientation right here, either landscape or portrait. But in this tutorial, I'm going to put it in the particular portrait right here. And the next thing we want to do right here is to come to the sidebar right here, or better still, we can click on background content right here. So under the background content, you have different options right here. You have white background, you have black background, you have color background, you have transparent background, and you have a custom background. Now, for instance, if you want to change, you want to create a deep different color, you can click on this icon right here. And then here you go. Then you can go ahead and choose your color right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to create only deep blue background color. I will go ahead and select blue, and I will click on OK right here. And then we come down below right here, we click on Create. And it's going to give us deep blue background in Photoshop. Just like what you see right here. Now, if you want to switch from this particular deep blue background, you want to change to another color background, you can as well do it right here without creating a new document. How do you achieve that? What you want to do right here is to come down below right here, come to your layer panel right here, go ahead and create a new layer. Then having created a new layer, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the toolbar right here, click and hold down. And then what you want to do right here now is to make sure you choose paint bucket tool. So having choose paint bucket tool, then you have to come to the foreground color right here. Let's say, for instance, you want to change this from blue to red. So go ahead and click on your foreground color, and this color picker here is going to come up. Then come here and then choose your 100% red, and then hit on OK. Now, the next thing you want to do is to just come to the workspace right here and drop. So once you click once, it automatically fill up the color in Photoshop. So you can as well switch from different color of your choice. So if you want to change this color again to another color, come down below right here and make sure you create a new layer. Then you want to come to the foreground color right here. Double click on the foreground color to bring out your color width. Then here we go. Now we can change this particular background color to something like yellow and hit on OK. Then what you want to do next is to make sure you come back to your paint bucket tool right here. Select on your paint bucket tool. Then come to the workspace right here. Just drop once and it will automatically fill up the color. So next thing you want to do is to come to your toolbar right here. Click and hold down. And make sure you select your paint. And make sure you select your paint bucket tool. Then come to the workspace right here and drop. In a few seconds, it automatically fill up with a yellow background color, just like what you see right here. Now we have about 3 different color background layer. We have blue, we have red, and we have yellow, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Photoshop software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.